Day 2, observing the properties of elements. We've got a list of elements, fill in the symbols from your periodic table, and then we're going to have a look at the properties of each metal. Starting with copper, it is a metal. Like all metals, they are shiny, which you can see here. Copper is a ductile metal, which means it can be drawn out into wires, like copper wire here, and they're in different formats. Iron, as we see, our example for the iron nail is also a shiny metal. It is very hard, which you can see from a piece of iron. It will hold its shape. We've got lead, which is in this case, lead looks quite tarnished, but if you can see the scratch we've done with the nail, it is also a shiny metal and becomes tarnished in the air if left exposed, but it is relatively soft. We can bend the piece of lead. Magnesium, again, metal, shiny, can be bent. This is magnesium ribbon. Mercury is the unusual one. This one you can see is a liquid. It is again still shiny silver color, but it is a liquid at room temperature. So the only metal that's a liquid at room temperature. Next up we have aluminium. Again, we can see shiny. It is hard, but it can be bent when it is in a ribbon like this piece of magnesium ribbon. Okay, shiny. Tin, not quite as hard. Again, it can be bent. It is a shiny metal. Ironically, what we call tin foil in your kitchen is actually aluminium foil, not made of tin. Then we've got carbon, which you can see is a brittle substance. That means this will break quite easily. You can see the little bits of carbon rod. And this is also the same thing that coal is made from. Lastly, we have the elements hydrogen, helium, oxygen, and chlorine, which are gases.
Brilliant! Just brilliant!